Hey, Steve Arda here. We're just doing a follow-up video on the second Amenity Center, the West Village Amenity Center. Just to kind of did a drone over. We did a walkthrough yesterday, so I want to give you basically a nice overview of the property, which is cool. I think they did such an amazing job here, I gotta be honest. Sorry, I'm actually at home now. Here, let me just make this smaller. Yeah, it's a cool little building. You can kind of see what's happening. Such a beautiful night as well. I mean, look at this place. Great pool, great lap pool here. You got nice little quadrants here. You can kind of chill out, little areas if you want to sit with family and friends, and everyone kind of, chart out their own little passage. Also, I mean, if you look at a lot of seating, it's similar. Obviously, replicates our large amenity center. But this is cool. Nice hot tub. I got the jets working yesterday as well, which is nice. Very busy night because clearly everyone was very curious to check it out. So I turned on all the lights. You know what's really cool? Check this out. Let me just get back here. Watch this. So see this area? It plays like your own private residence. So this is actually a screen lanai with a television here. So it'd be great. Like obviously some major sporting events, if you want like a Super Bowl night or something like that or whatever, or a UFC fight, it would be kind of cool to have it out here and kind of hang out at the Amenity Center, which is great, our second Amenity Center. Let's take a look. Soccer nets. Like obviously we've got a big Italian population coming in, to be honest, either from the Northeast Midwest and up north into Canada. A lot of Italians, a lot of vowels we're bringing in. And literally, first question is always soccer fields. And you know what, to be honest, we got one finally. So, ladies and boys, we got ourselves ladies and gentlemen rather, we got ourselves a soccer field. And this is actually good grass. This is not like the crabgrass that we experience on our front lawns. This is actually a nice, very thin grass that we'd find up north, so it's perfect. This is almost like golf grass. So you got these little nets for the kids, killerly, which is cool. This is going to be a picnic pavilion over here. This is going to be the horseshoes here. So this is cool, if you want a little bit of a change. What I like too, to be honest, and it's attention to detail, and instead of doing things plain, again, it's not a big deal, but I like it. See these little dunes here? These are all nice different elevations, so it's nice. So even when you're driving up to the parking lot, you really can't see the field too much. It's got this little bit of like blocked area. It's like little miniature mountains, which is cool. I was actually heading to the Kingston after this to go film it, and I crashed the drone literally. Went straight up, the sensors didn't catch it. It actually hit power lines and just shredded itself to death. Yeah, so cool little section. This is amazing. I like it. And we always had opportunities to buy these lots that back onto this. This is going to be, when this is lit up at night, to have a little backdrop from your home, whoever bought these lots back here. I don't know if I have them in here. Maybe not. Ooh. Yeah, just right back here. Like these are going to be, these houses at night, you're going to have a nice little backdrop to, the amenity center. The pool's all going to be lit up. It's quite nice. I remember a friend lived at the place, and they backed onto the amenity center. It was really, really nice at night when it's lit up. It's like action, especially you want a little bit of action. But that's pretty much it. That's the drone of our new amenity center. They still haven't furnished it yet, and we'll definitely do one more video of this amenity center to kind of lock it up and just show you how they lay out all the furniture, because I think it's cool. Even this little rocky passage here, I think that's like little touches, Camerata, I like them. They do a good job. Again, you got to remember now, as land's getting more expensive going forward, the sites are going to be a little bit not as crazy as they used to be, because even if you see some old communities, how great they were. Like we went to some, I think it was called the Estero Country Club, or the Colony rather. The Colony has an amazing golf club community, but also if you see the clubhouse, it's second to none. It looks like something you would see in California, something like that. Just really overdone. But that's pretty much it, guys. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.